Hi, my name is Jesseline. We are going to be talking about the difference between correlation and causation. So correlation and causation, you kind of deal with this with scatter plots and statistics. So correlation is a relationship. So is there a relationship between the two things? Is there a consistent relationship between two events? And a change in one event implies a change in the other. Like they can both go up, or one can go up and one can go down, depending on that. So, but is there a relationship with them? And so, for example, how many hours you study, and your grades will go up. The more you study, the grades you go up. You do have a relationship there. Now, it's not necessarily the more you study causes your grades to go up. What causes your grades to go up might be something totally different, but they do have a relationship. We can kind of monitor it, but it might not directly cause it. So that is correlation and not causation. There's different types of correlation. Positive correlation. So on a scatter plot, positive correlation means that everything is going up, right? So when one goes up, the other one goes up. So that's positive correlation. And then negative correlation, when one goes up, the other one goes down. So negative. When one thing goes up, the other goes down. So that's negative correlation. But again, correlation just means they have a relationship. But causation means that one event is caused by the other. So an example for this, when something happens, it causes something else will also happen, which is the effect. It has like a cause-effect relationship. Kind of, we're doing our English skills here. So for example, when you run, you burn calories. Running causes you to burn calories, okay? Because it gets your heart rate up and everything, and which causes you to burn calories. So running causes that. They do have a relationship, but it goes a step further, and running does cause you to burn calories. So you say it's causation and not correlation, although they have a relationship. Causation will always take the win. So if it is causation and they do cause each other, it's automatically causation. Otherwise, you look to see if they have just a relationship. And so here's some examples. We'll do this even more. It says, so this one is, as people's happiness level increases, so does their helpfulness. And so just think about, does happiness cause somebody to be helpful? Well, some of you might say yes, but like scientifically, we don't know if happiness causes somebody to be helpful. But we do know in life experiences that when somebody's happy, they're more helpful. So they do have a relationship, but we can't like prove that it actually causes it. So instead of causation, we say it's correlation. So that has correlation. Somebody happy is more helpful. Yes, correlation. Dogs pant to cool themselves. So dogs pant like that. Don't laugh at me. But dogs pant to cause cool down their bodies. And we can actually scientifically prove this, that when dogs pant, it is cooling down their bodies. So that is, not only do they have a relationship, it's causation. It's cause and effect. The dogs pant, and the effect is that their bodies get cooled down. Another one, among babies, those who are held more tend to cry less. So it's not scientifically proven that just because we're holding them, they are, that's why they stop crying. That's the cause, because we're holding them. It might be they stopped crying because they had gas or something and they let out a fart. But we do know that it has a relationship, that because when we hold babies and rock them and everything like that, that they seem to calm down a little bit sometimes. Not always true. But we don't know that it's scientifically proven that it causes it, okay? That just means that there's a relationship. So that wouldn't be causation, it is correlation. So when we pick up a baby, they stop crying. Okay, so that's the difference between correlation and causation. So hopefully that makes sense a little bit more. If you have any questions, let me know.